Hi, now I am launching total Laravel eCommerce website design and development full series. Uh, if you are interested to enjoy this series, please subscribe my channel. Before starting my project, we must develop and design the database. This is the database demo, and this project I want to cover this type of materials: Laravel's user management, user registration, login and profile management, product management, order management, payment and delivery, promotion and discount, search and filtering, analytics and reporting, chat and customer support. But before we starting, we must develop the database design, and the database are included brand, categories, product details, product review, product slider, customer profiles, product cart, product OSS, invoice, SSL commerce. This is the payment method, and finally output this type of database. And uh, please support me and subscribe my channel and connect with me for the for this playlist. Thank you.